Have you ever wondered why we sneeze when we look at the sun? Some people sneeze when they leave a dark environment and are exposed to intense, bright light. This phenomenon is called the photic sneeze reflex. Although science hasn't fully figured out what causes this reflex, the most popular theory suggests that a type of short circuit occurs between the nerves in the brain that detect light and the nerves that control sneezing. So, when strong light stimulates our eyes, this signal is mistakenly directed to the area of the brain that triggers sneezing. Also, if a family member has this reflex, there is a high probability that you will too.